The 2021 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, hill descent control, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, braking assist, rear stabilizer bar, front stabilizer bar. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.